Yeah, same supercharger as Lance. One of our boys just got tuned today. Same supercharger. He has what is it? A EK?
Yeah.
EK Coupe.
SI Honda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Half cage and a couple other things too. You guys should be able to see it. So he has a meth kit going in as well, or it's already in, but it's like getting finalized right now. So like literally the placement of everything is like so perfect. All right, this is gonna be a nice clean setup, and you'll still have the whole trunk to be able to hold the whole like trunk will still be functional. So that's gonna be nice. And you guys see the white tees. So this is just a flex car.
So
damn, wow, that thing is like perfect.
you see I used grommets. I actually went right through the frame rail, so everything's flush. It didn't have to go over the carpet and get pinched by anything. That's your filter.
Yep.
And then it runs right through the body. All these were silicone, so there's no water leaking in or anything like that. And then I tucked all the wires into the frame. I actually have some wires running this way too for the level sensor. This can be removed so you can fill it easier.
Yeah.
So I made everything so it's like a little extended, so it's like...
Have to do the cold start. Beautiful. So yeah, I'll get to you guys in a second. So this is just going to be like the first little test with the methanol. Well, I'm probably not even going to get enough boost, but yeah. I just gotta grab my bag from my boy's house, and then yeah, just gotta see if the car drives any different. Let's see how much boost. It shouldn't probably have 16 boost. This thing feels nice. This is insane. Oh my. Hey, yo. Wow. Holy shit, dude. know people are looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? But I don't care. Oh my god, this sound feels insane, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to do a real pull in a second. Well, not a real one, because there's gonna be a little bit of traffic, but I'll be able to do a pretty decent one in a second. Yeah, I'll do a third if I can actually make enough space. Oh, my plane closed yet now. To try and do like a little baby pull. Let's see. Oh my god. Jesus. This, this thing is mud, yeah? Alright, let's do. Another little baby bull. Actually, I'm gonna swing around and do it. So, give me a second. This thing just feels just ungodly. Yeah, I'm gonna just rip right down this place and then go home. Jesus. Yo. God damn. Yo, it feels. Damn. Wow. That is nice. Holy shit. Jesus. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all motherfuckers in the next video. You already know what to do. Drink water, motherfuckers.